Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need. Open SSL and a tunnel tool like Stunnel or Socket, plus the server certificate and private key. Make sure the key file has restrictive permissions so only you can read it. Once done, pick a local listening port and the remote host and port to reach. You will also name the tunnel file you will build. This keeps things reproducible. Now that prerequisites and initial variables are set, proceed to create the actual TLS configuration and key bundle. You now build the tunnel file, combine certificate and key into PEM if necessary. OpenSSL makes this straightforward. Then write the config for your tool, for example, set local bind equals 127, 0, 0, 1, local port, remote connect equals remote host, remote port, and point to the cert and key file paths. Make sure to enable proper TLS options like verify and allow renegotiation as needed. Once configured, run a single test. You finish by running the tunnel as a managed service. Use systemd or another supervisor so it restarts on failure. Make sure to harden TLS settings, enforce TLS 1.2 or higher, restrict ciphers, and enable client verification if applicable. Once running, verify connectivity from a client through the local bind. If something goes wrong, check the tunnel tool logs and systemd journal. Validate the certificate chain with OpenSSL and test ports with Netcat. One key tip: mismatched host names often break the handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.